Just a short walk from the beach, this stylish new-build bungalow in Torre de la Horadada offers modern coastal living in one of the Costa Blanca's most desirable seaside locations. Designed for comfort, light and easy outdoor living, the property features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, together with an open-plan kitchen and lounge area that creates a bright and welcoming heart to the home. Fitted wardrobes and a private terrace add to the sense of practicality and space throughout. Outside, each bungalow benefits from its own private garden and parking space, making it ideal for both everyday living and relaxing holidays in the sun. And within the development, residents can also enjoy a beautiful communal swimming pool, perfect for cooling off and unwinding. Located around 800 metres from the beach, this home places you close to the beautiful sandy shores and promenade of Torre de la Horadada and Mil Palmeras. The area is well known for its restaurants, bars, shops and water sports, including diving and snorkelling, giving you everything you need for the perfect Mediterranean lifestyle. The property also includes a 1% Welcome Estates gift, which can be redeemed for white goods, furniture, lighting and much more. This is a fantastic opportunity whether you are looking for a holiday home, an investment or a place to enjoy all year round. Priced at €380,000, contact Welcome Estates.
Welcome Estates, your trusted partner for finding dream homes in Costa Blanca, Spain. Beautiful new build villas, seaside apartments and country fincas. Start your journey today at welcomeestates.com and let us find your perfect home.